The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than just a luxury vehicle. It's an audacious statement that travel, comfort, and elegance can be blended into one rolling masterpiece. Imagine the stately presence of a Rolls-Royce gliding down the road, but now stretched into an elegant motorhome that offers all the amenities of a five-star hotel suite. From the moment you first lay eyes on it, the design language is unmistakably Rolls-Royce. The iconic Pantheon grille stands proudly at the front, flanked by adaptive laser headlights that illuminate the road with crystal clarity. The elongated body features a seamless paint finish, hand-polished for over 20 hours, and the Spirit of Ecstasy emblem rises majestically from the hood, reminding you that this is not just transportation, it's an event. Every exterior detail, from the flush door handles to the diamond-cut alloy wheels, has been crafted to perfection. This is not a motorhome that blends into the caravan park. It turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by the aroma of hand-stitched leather and the warm embrace of open-pore wood veneers sourced from sustainable forests. Rolls-Royce has taken the already opulent interiors of their sedans and elevated them into something even more extraordinary for this motorhome. The driver's cockpit feels like a luxury yacht helm, with a crystal-clear 17-inch infotainment display, a digital gauge cluster with customizable themes, and a steering wheel wrapped in buttery soft leather. The air suspension works in harmony with adaptive dampers, ensuring the ride feels as if you're gliding on a cloud, even on less-than-perfect roads. Noise insulation is world-class. You could have a whispered conversation at 70 miles per hour without raising your voice. This is partly thanks to double-glazed acoustic glass and a sound-deadening layer throughout the cabin. The living quarters are nothing short of spectacular. Rolls-Royce has designed the motorhome with an open-plan concept, complete with a lounge area featuring an L-shaped sofa upholstered in cashmere, a 55-inch retractable OLED TV, and a Bowers & Wilkins diamond surround sound system. The kitchenette is a work of art. Quartz countertops, a full-size induction cooktop, and a hidden refrigerator that blends seamlessly into the cabinetry. There's even a temperature-controlled wine cellar that holds up to 20 bottles because, of course, you might want to find Bordeaux on hand while parked by a scenic lake. The attention to detail continues with subtle ambient lighting that adjusts automatically to the time of day, giving the space a calming, inviting atmosphere. The bedroom is perhaps the most indulgent part of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. You'll find a king-size bed with a memory foam and cashmere hybrid mattress, bespoke Egyptian cotton linens, and an overhead skylight that can be either crystal clear for stargazing or electronically frosted for privacy. There's generous wardrobe space with soft-closed drawers and a built-in dressing area with illuminated mirrors. In the ensuite bathroom, marble flooring meets brushed gold fixtures, and the rainfall shower uses a water recycling system, so you can enjoy long showers without worrying about your tank running dry. Heated floors and a towel warmer add an extra touch of spa-like luxury. Under the hood? Well, under the floor in this case, is Rolls-Royce's latest hybrid powertrain, pairing a silky smooth V12 engine with an electric motor for a combined output of over 700 horsepower. The electric range is around 80 miles, perfect for silent cruising through eco-sensitive areas, while the fuel engine ensures you can cover long distances without compromise. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic tune for effortless acceleration, and despite its size, the motorhome handles with surprising grace thanks to four-wheel steering and active stability control. It's not built for high-speed cornering, but for gliding along highways and winding country roads with absolute serenity. Technology plays a huge role in making the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome more than just a beautiful machine. It's also incredibly smart. The AI-based navigation system not only plans your route, but also suggests scenic detours, luxury campsites, and fine dining along the way. There's an integrated drone that can launch from the roof to capture cinematic aerial footage of your journey, and it returns automatically to its charging dock. The motorhome also comes with full autonomous driving capabilities, so you can relax in the lounge while the vehicle safely pilots itself to your destination. Of course, all this opulence comes with a price tag that is, frankly, astronomical. starting at just over $2.5 million. This is not a vehicle aimed at the average RV enthusiast. It's designed for a very specific clientele. People who want to travel without compromising on comfort, style, or status. But if you're in that rarefied group, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome offers something truly unmatched. The freedom of the open road wrapped in the luxury of a private villa. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about making the journey the highlight of your travels. Whether you're parked on a cliffside watching the sunset or rolling through the streets of Monaco, it delivers a sense of occasion every single mile. There are plenty of luxury RVs and motorhomes on the market, but none with the heritage, craftsmanship, and sheer presence of a Rolls-Royce. It's not just a vehicle. It's a statement that the art of travel can still be an experience of pure elegance. For those lucky enough to call one their own, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome represents the pinnacle of mobile luxury. For the rest of us, it's a dream to admire, a benchmark for what's possible when cost is no object and excellence is the only standard. In a world where travel is often rushed and convenience trumps experience, this motorhome is a rolling reminder that the journey itself can be the destination.